Welcome to our review of the best digital clamp meters for accurate electrical measurements. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, choosing the right clamp meter is crucial for precise testing. In this video, we'll explore top-rated models that offer exceptional accuracy, reliability, and advanced features. From measuring voltage and current to checking resistance and capacitance, these meters are designed to make your electrical projects easier and safer. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description box below. Make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, let's get started. Fifth product on our list, Mastfuyi FI382 Digital Clamp Meter. The Mastfuyi FI382 is a high-precision digital clamp meter designed for professionals and enthusiasts. With its vibrant large color screen and a remarkable 9,999 count display, it offers unparalleled accuracy for various electrical measurements. This device supports True RMS technology, ensuring precise readings for both AC and DC currents. It measures currents up to 600 A and voltages ranging from 100 MV to 600 V. The 30mm tong head opening makes it perfect for handling large wires effortlessly. Its capabilities don't stop there. The FI382 measures resistance, capacitance, and even frequency up to 1000 Hz. It also includes temperature testing, with a wide range from -20 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius. Compact and powered by 2 AAA batteries, this meter is highly portable. The auto shutdown feature adds convenience, enhancing battery life. Whether for continuity, diode testing, or advanced troubleshooting, the Mastfuyi FI382 is a reliable, professional-grade tool. It's a must-have for precision electrical work. Fourth product on our list, Snakol SK2060 Clamp Meter. The Snakol SK2060 Digital Clamp Meter is a professional-grade tool designed for precise leakage current detection. Lightweight at just 136 grams, it's compact and easy to handle, perfect for home and professional use. This clamp meter measures AC currents ranging from an ultra-sensitive 0.05 mA to 60 A. Its high precision makes it ideal for detecting microcurrents in home appliances and electrical systems. The digital-only display ensures clear and accurate readings. With dimensions of 170 by 61 by 27 mm, it's small enough to fit in your toolkit. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, it's convenient and portable, though the batteries are not included. The SK2060 is a reliable choice for electrical testing. It operates efficiently in temperatures between 0 degrees Celsius and 40 degrees Celsius, making it versatile for various environments. The Snakol SK2060 combines precision, portability, and durability. Whether for home or professional projects, it's the perfect tool for accurate current detection. Third product on our list, Cretrust HT208 Clamp Meter. The Cretrust HT208 Digital Clamp Meter Pro, a high-performance tool for accurate electrical testing. With a 1000 A current range and 1000 volt voltage range, it's ideal for both professional electricians and DIY enthusiasts. Equipped with True RMS technology, it delivers precise readings for both AC and DC currents. It also measures voltage, resistance, and inductance, ensuring versatility in a range of applications. The backlit digital display makes it easy to read results in any lighting. At 380 gram, the HT208 is compact and lightweight. It's powered by 3 AAA batteries, providing portability for any job. Additional features include data hold, auto power off, and a low battery indicator for convenience. The HT208 meets safety standards. Its flashlight feature is perfect for use in low light conditions, making it a reliable choice for various electrical testing needs. The Cretrust HT208 combines precision, durability, and user-friendly features, making it an essential tool for any electrician or technician. It's the go-to solution for comprehensive electrical testing. Second product on our list, Bside ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter. The Bside ACM91 Digital Clamp Meter is a compact yet powerful tool for precise electrical testing. Designed for both AC and DC measurements, it offers a current range of 1 mA to 100 A and a voltage range up to 600 volt. This meter features a high-precision digital display, making readings clear and accurate. It also measures resistance up to 60 ohm and capacitance up to 6000 F, offering versatility for various applications. Weighing just 137 gram, the ACM91 is lightweight and easy to handle. Its slim dimensions of 179 by 67 by 36 mm make it portable and suitable for tight spaces. It's perfect for car diagnostics and home electrical tasks. The meter is built with reliability in mind, featuring a durable design and intuitive controls. Its compact size doesn't compromise functionality, making it a professional-grade tool for accurate results. The Bside ACM91 offers precision, portability, and practicality in one compact device. Whether for home or professional use, it's a reliable choice for any electrical testing needs. First product on our list, UNI-T UT210E Digital Clamp Meter. The UNI-T UT210E Digital Clamp Meter combines precision and portability in one tool. Ideal for professionals and DIY enthusiasts, it's built for accurate AC/DC current measurement up to 100 A. This clamp meter covers a wide range of tasks, from voltage readings up to 600 V to resistance measurements of 20 mΩ. It also supports capacitance measurement up to 60 mF. The clear digital display ensures precise and easy-to-read results every time. With features like True RMS, auto-ranging, and NCV non-contact detection, the UT210 excels in diverse applications. The UT210D model even adds frequency measurement for added functionality. Weighing just 170 grams and measuring 175 by 60 by 33.5 millimeters, this tool is lightweight yet durable. The backlit LCD and continuity buzzer enhance usability in all environments. The UNI-T UT210E is the go-to solution for reliable electrical testing. Compact, accurate, and easy to use.